You know, Dan, I bet you if I asked 100 people if they had blinds in their homes, how many do you think would say yes?
Most.
That's right, because having blinds in your home is a very common decor. And they really haven't changed that much.
Until now.
That's right.
The Home Decorators Collection Cordless Blinds, a nice new product. No cords, no strings to pull. Just raise it up.
Yeah.
And then adjust the height.
And then you can pull it right back down. Now the pulley system is inside the rail here behind the valance. The nice thing about being cordless is that it's not a hazard to small kids or even to your pets.
This is also a moisture resistant product, so it can hold up to most anything in the house. Great for the bathroom.
Yeah.
And if you want to put them outside, you certainly can.
Like in your garage?
Exactly.
I do love the fact that it has this embossed wood, so it looks like it's real wood. So again, for a 2-inch faux wood blind, these are the bomb.
This Best New Product segment built by the Home Depot. More saving, more doing.